Hi everybody. I have to use my handheld gimbal for this. My other one is knackered. I think the motors have gone on it or something. Anyway, we're at this place here and I was just driving past after filming something down there, and I think it's a Second World War shelter over here. So we'll have a look. Sorry for the shakiness, but bastard gimbal's broken. I'll have to get a new one. More money. So this looks like a shelter. Definitely looks like a Second World War shelter. There must be an entrance down here. Oh, I've had my torch in the car. Oh yes, look. Oh, I'll have to go back for my torch. Right, let's turn my light on. Right, oops. Yeah, this is, you can see corrugated, where the corrugated iron sheets were when it was built and the concrete was poured. Oh god, look at here. Shit. Wow. Wow, look at this. This is cool. Anything good on the floor? Yeah, there's a bird's nest. Old bottle. Wow, that looks like a fireplace. I don't know what that could be. It's not a fireplace. Wouldn't have wood around there if it was a fireplace. That coal, lumps of coal, another bird's nest, some glass. Oh, this is great find. An old Second World War shelter. It's got its original door, a little latch there. Ow! Bastard, just something's falling off the ceiling on top of my head. And that's the original door. Cool, eh? Oh, that's a good find. Struth. Good job I had my torch in the car. I'll pause it for a minute and I'll come back. I'm back. Right, if you like my channel, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. So it wasn't a waste of time coming out today. Right, I'll see you later. Bye everybody.